Ever since my 4 years of attending Embry-Riddle, I wanted to take all of that practical knowledge I learned there and put it to technical use. So becoming a flight instructor is my way of giving back to the aviation community, and just developing young aviators is just a reward for me. What does it really take to be a flight instructor? Well, countless and countless of hours of honing and developing your craft, and honestly, patience is number one. So some of my responsibilities I have every single day as a flight instructor is ensuring safe operation of the aircraft, risk management, and instilling confidence in my students. So the thing I like most about being a flight instructor, honestly, is the look on someone's face when they first land a plane by themselves for the first time completely. So some of my career goals are honestly the same as just about any other pilot: to be able to fly higher and fly faster. If there's one thing I could say to everybody listening at home right now, is if you've ever been on the fence about flight training, honestly, come down to AeroSport South, have a discovery flight with any of our highly trained flight instructors, and I guarantee you, you will just enjoy the pure bliss of flying and you will not regret it.